Welcome to Internet Marketing Academy. Learn internet marketing and grow your business with KOKOSHUNGSAN. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for the latest updates. If you like it, please like, share it, and leave comments. Thanks for your support and for helping us make the world a better place. 100 List Building Methods. This course will give you 100 list building methods. It contains ideas for freebies and copywriting strategies that will persuade people to subscribe to your opt list or email newsletter. Building a huge opt-in list can give you income anytime you want by just pushing the send button. One can conclude you can endorse a free sample. 1. This will add additional list customers. You could persuade prospects to opt in after showing off your freebie product cover, graphic. It is my belief, you should release free brandable rights. 2. This will create extra opt-in fans. You may influence prospects to join by bringing up the professional writer you hired to create the product. I happen to believe you could publicize a free membership. 3. It might construct you some new subscriber traffic. You could bribe visitors to reserve their spot by broadcasting you are offering an affiliate contest. The best I can tell you might offer a free customer forum. 4. This should grow your list. You might bring leads to get your freebie after cataloging that you have excellent affiliate tools. In broad terms, you can give away a free e-course. 5. It could dig up additional email customers. You should bring around people to accept your deal by certifying you have subscriber testimonials. A case can be made that you may present a free video. 6. This may drive more list clients to you. You can budge prospects to approve your offer via chiming and you have a secure opt-in system. Some have claimed you should market a free audio. 7. It would increase your subscriber referrals. You may cajole visitors to enroll by claiming it takes seconds, minutes to get it. It is quite clear you could advertise a free excerpt. 8. This should enrich your email income. You could captivate leads to register by commenting you have unsolicited testimonial. It is no coincidence that you might promote a free trial. 9. It can ensure new list buyers. You might cause people to subscribe via communicating proof it works with your test results. As a general rule, you should advertise a free day trial pass. 10. This should flood your opt-in network. You may persuade leads to push enter by repeating they get it for nada, zip, zilch, diddly squat. Click link below to learn more. Read more and get paid to write at press.kokoshungsan.net. KOKOSHUNGSAN pays you to have fun. KOKOSHUNGSAN.net